Mathematics is all around us, and the right mathematical rules can help you solve problems. The PEMDAS, PEMDAS. The PEMDAS rule is one such rule in the mathematical domain. Math basics such as addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication are already familiar to you. But what about the right order to address each of them where they all in the same equation? What is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is an acronym used to mention the order of operations to be followed while solving expressions having multiple operations. PEMDAS stands for P parenthesis. We have line, small brackets, curly brackets, and big brackets. And then E. E stands for exponents. Here, x square, that means powers and square roots. Then M. M stands for multiplication. Then D. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. There are different acronyms used for the order of operations in different countries. For example, in Canada and New Zealand, the order of operation is stated as bemdas, BEMDAS. In India and UK, the order of operation is stated as bodmas, BODMAS. In US and France, the order of operations is stated as PEMDAS or gemdas, GEMDAS. As you observe, Rohit and Virat reached different answers. There can only be one correct answer to this expression in mathematics. Can you decide who is correct? PEMDAS is here to help you to find the correct answer. To solve the problems, you can use any order of operations just like bemdas, bodmas, PEMDAS or gemdas. Anyone you can use it. Rules. In PEMDAS, the rule starts with parenthesis and then the operations are performed on the exponents or powers. Next, multiplication and then division from left to right. Finally, addition, subtraction are performed from left to right only. Keep in mind, whenever you are doing equations, you have to start from left. Let us understand with the help of an example. Here, you have to start with the parenthesis. Parenthesis starts with line, small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket. So the line under the numbers you have to solve it first. So 1 plus 6 is 7. And then you go with small brackets. Here one small bracket is there and another small bracket is there. So you have to solve it first, these two. And solve the inside operations. In this you have to do division from left to right. So 14 divided by 7 is 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Next, check with the another closed bracket. So you have multiplication operation and you have power and then addition. So you have 3 operations. So which one you have to do first? For that you have to observe the PEMDAS rule. So first P parenthesis, after E exponents are coming. So that means you have to do powers first. So you have to do 2 square first. 2 square is 4. 5 times 2 square is 4. Then plus 2. Now you are left with the 2 operations. What are they? Multiplication and addition. So which have to do first? Again you have to follow the PEMDAS rule. So after exponents you have multiplication. So you have to do multiplication. So 5 times 4 is 20. Then plus 2 is 22. So here 22 times 2 by, you have exponent here. Square root of 16 is 4. Solve it this 22 times 2 by 4. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and then 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 11 is 22. 7 plus 1 is 8. You have to remove the curly brackets. So 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 11 times 1 is 11. So your answer is 19. To understand very well, I will explain one more problem. Here you have line, so you have to solve first. 8 minus 2 is 6. So you finish the line bracket, at the same time you finish the closed bracket. Then you go with plus. So 3, this is under the curly bracket. So then plus 6. So this is under the closed bracket. Then times 12 minus 5. After the line bracket, which operation you are going to use? You are going to use small brackets. So which is here. So 12 minus 5 is 7. After that, you have to do curly bracket. So here 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6 plus 9. Then big brackets. So here you have multiplication and big brackets. What you have to do, first you have to do big brackets first. So 7 times 6 plus 9 is 15. So 15 times 7 is 105. So like that you have to use this mathematical operations and solve your problems. Here also you have line. So first you have to finish the line. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So after that you have to do close brackets, which is small brackets. So here we have close bracket and here also we have close bracket. So 11 minus 5 is 6 times, and you have to write remaining the numbers 12 plus curly bracket 13 plus you are going to solve here. So 11, 18 minus 6. So what is 18 minus 6 is 12 plus 13. So you are done with small brackets. So now you are left with the curly brackets. 6 times. So here 13 plus 12 is 25. So 12 plus 25. And here again you have a big brackets. So you have to solve first. 12 plus 25 is 37 times 6. 37 times 6 is 222. Here you have small bracket. The numbers you have to solve it first. So here this is the closed brackets, and here what are the operations? Plus, minus. Which comes first? Addition comes first. So we have to do addition here. So 16 plus 14 is 30 minus 10. So again 30 minus 10 is 20. Here 1, 2 divided by. Now you have to do the division. 112 by 20. This number you are cancelled with the number 4. So 4 times 28 is 112. 4 times 5 is 20. 28 divided by 5. You can convert it to mixed fraction. How can you convert into, see, 5? 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus, if you add 3, then you will get 28. Like that you can write the mixed fraction also. This is another problem. Here, all operations are divisions. I already explained, whenever you are doing the operations, you have to start from left to right. And here also, you have to do from left to right. So first take 360 divided by 36, which means 10. After that, again your left number is 10. So you have to do 10 divided by 6. 10 divided by 6. You cancel with 2. 2 5s are 10, then 2 3s are 6. 5 by 3. Then you do with 1. 5 by 3 divided by 1 is 5 by 3 only. Then your last division is 5 by 3 divided by 5. If you do this, 5 by 3 divided by 5, that means you can write here 5 by 1. So which is 5 by 3. When it comes up, it will come 1 by 5. So 5 gets cancelled. So your answer is 1 by 3. Like that you have to do using this rule. You can do operational mathematical equations. That's it for today's video. If you like this content, please subscribe my channel to get more interesting topics in future. Thank you for watching.